Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So first, what is cache in Premiere Pro? So refers to temporary files generated by software to improve playback performance and editing efficiency. Now, these files, they're storing like informations, such things like related to visual representation, waves for smoother playback during editing, and the benefits of doing that or having this is that having cache data readily available, Premiere Pro can playback edits and effects more smoothly, especially for complex projects. So it's very good to have. But now the question here is how we can remove those. So you're gonna have to go on Premiere Pro, and then we're gonna click on Premiere Pro and settings, and here we're gonna click on media cache. And then here we can click on remove media cache file. So we can click on delete and then click on OK and OK. And that's what you have to do. Very short and easy. I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.